Matapos ang enjoy na food tripping ni Janeena sa iba't ibang panig ng Southeast Asia kanina, nagpasya naman siyang mag-chill muna sa next destination niya. How about some coffee, cakes, and cocktail dito sa Cafe Perene?
So yung concept po ng Cafe Perene dito sa the Redwood Place, Marikina, we've incorporated a bar concept. So gusto kasi namin na prepare yung cakes and cocktails. Kasi we believe that cakes are not only for desserts. Bagay din siya with cocktails. It's very unique, but still, syempre, that's why we also offer savory items kasi hindi pa sila familiar with the concept of pairing cakes and cocktails.
So ayan na, may pa-tea time tayo ngayon. And we have their combination of hot teas and syempre ang kanilang signature cakes and sweets. So this is their peppermint tea. Wow, parang Pasko na. Okay, very comforting. Ito naman, this is their Bilachon green tea. O, diba? Bilachon, sosyal. Wow, it's a type of green tea. Very clean lang yung taste niya. And this one, mas unique naman to. This is their pomegranate strawberry tea. Ang bango! So, this is a fruitier tea naman. Masarap. Pili ko masarap din to pag iced. Nice. Very, very comforting and yet basta hindi siya boring. Masaya siya. Masayang siya. Okay, now let's move on to the cakes. We have their chocolate cheesecake. Yummy. Very dense. Kaya tagal ko ngayain. Super siksik. Tsaka yung crust niya. It adds the right amount of texture lang. Sarap. So this one naman is their cheesecake na may cookie bits on top. Cream and cookies. Sarap. Ang sarap ng, ano niya, top layer. Kasi talagang matitikman mo yung cookie crumble texture na crunchy. And dito tayo babawi kasi guys, sugar-free to. This is their Guiltless Choco Banana Loaf. And if you guys want na yung cake version, meron din silang whole cake or whole loaf version.
Meron po kaming sugar-free chocolate banana cake and we also have yung guiltless treat namin, our flourless chocolate cake, no added sugar naman po.
Perfect talaga siya paired with hot tea. Wow! Oh my gosh.
And chocolate.
Thank you. Okay. Look at this choco lava cake naman. And it's warm, served warm, 'di ba? Ganyan talaga pag choco lava. Ayan, mainat pa talaga siya. Okay, so let's slice it. Grabe. Wow. Ito yung dessert na pampakalma. We have their lime cake. Now, itong lime cake, talagang kanina ko pa ito gustong tikman kasi out of all the chocolatey flavors, di ba? Mag-lime naman tayo para refreshing.
It's made of lime curd with cashew nuts. The consistency of the cake is between chiffon and moist cake, so it's very light.
Kung mahilig kayo sa mga sweet, sour, yung mga sweet na may asim, sarap na to. Okay, very zesty. Hindi siya nakakaumay. Very, refreshing and yun, yung lemon taste, malalasahan niya talaga. Or lime taste.
Yung mga pupunta dito sa Redwood branch namin, couples. So, meron din mga barkada and we also have yung mga nagme-meeting. Yung location niya, it's inside a neighborhood. So, yun, very convenient for our customers to pass by. Tapos, magko-coffee sila, dito sila magwo-work. Lalo na yung mga work from home, na mga customers namin, they would prefer working here.
So, cold drinks naman tayo ngayon, food explorers. First up, andito ang kanilang berry oat latte. Uso-uso yan ngayon, di ba? Mga oat milk. Okay. Kaya may konting pinkish hue siya, yung color niya. Kasi nga may hint of berry flavor. This one naman is their white chocolate mocha. Wow! Parang dessert na siya, guys. Sobrang sarap. Lasang-lasa yung choco coffee flavor. And, ang ganda ng color, di ba? Buhay na buhay. This is their blueberry yogurt drink. Wow, sarap. I think this is my favorite. Mahilig ako sa mga ganyan. Medyo maasim, sweet, sour, refreshing.
The best time to come here would be at 6 p.m. kasi we have our happy hour. Lahat po ng signature cocktails namin are only at 200 pesos from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Every day po yun.
Wow, super saya. Parang sobrang good mood na ako. All the more after trying out all these drinks, pati yung mga sweets nila, pati yung guiltless sweets nila. So guys, kung sweet tooth kayo, perfect talaga to for you guys.